So this past weekend, Ike and I had the privilege of covering the Igbo 3-day convention right here in the tri-state area, New Jersey, the house. And we...
Okay, my turn to tell you what happened in Igbo. There was lots of food, lots of connection, lots of mingling, lots of people.
All right, go ahead, have your time.
Honestly, guys, if
I'll
you
just wait
go
for my
there
time again.
and you don't live without a wife, I myself have personally become a polygamist after I went to Igbo. To be honest with you, but I didn't go there just for beautiful women. I went there for culture also. You know me. You trust?
Are you done? Can I have my time now? Thanks. So, like I was saying, the Igbo convention is held right here in the tri-state area, and it's basically a 3-day convention where they got comedy shows, they have career-building seminars, banquets, masquerades, dancing, and most of all, it's just celebrating the Igbo culture. It's like, how would you want to miss it?
All right. We're speaking Igbo.
We're speaking Igbo.
Okay, let's go again. Let's go again. 3, 2, 1. So please tell us, what was your experience like this weekend?
I actually loved it. I actually came with a friend here, Ugo. She invited me to this event, and I actually like it. Even though I'm not Igbo, I feel like I'm a part of the community.
So will you be back next year?
Yes, definitely yes. Without her pushing me, I will be here.
If you had a choice, would you choose to be Igbo?
Huh?
Huh?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. Africans are all the same, yes. I would choose to be Igbo.
That was a safe answer.
My husband might be Igbo.
Oh, okay. That's true. You never know.
No more, I don't buy more to body. They say my market no go sell for body. And then me say I no go blue for body. Them my brother, let them try their luck. My God go win, no my God go win, no my Lord go win, no. And little they do not God do win, no not God do win, no not God do win, no. As you don't pass exam now.
Don't be smart, you know. I know that the people that were not standing up to dance, I understand, you are still confused. You are sharing a room with 3 other girls. You did not pay complete. They are harassing you at the door. You were like, why did I have to sit at the back seat in this airplane? Why did I fly Spirit? Why did I fly Spirit? Just join me and say God win. You say, well, they gave me part of the money I used to pay, and I'm thinking about how I'm going to pay back. I don't know what's going on. Bros, sister, God me. You said, but I could not tell my mom. I couldn't tell her where I was going to because she'd be like, oh, are you going to meet a man? Are you going to get married? Are you going to... God win. You said, well, I'm looking around this room. It seems like there are only 15 guys. God win. This room, on my road, everybody on my road, one man, 25 girls, God wins here. You go run. No, not 2 years. You go run. Let's say run. Let's say Alright, let's begin the comedy book. Let us start the reason why they brought us here is to make you laugh. But then the way you still be minding my waist like this, I'm not like that. I'm not like that at all. I'm very like this. This is how they...
Look at this girl. Even if she curves me, don't she know I'm thirsty? Don't she know I'm thirsty? I'm an African. You can be with me and live rent free. I'm an African. Tricking all my money to the girls in VIP. I'm an African. Oh baby, you ain't heard about me. I'm aggressive, man. Yeah, baby, I'm an African. Hey, I called it fresh off the boat, and you know I smell like gold. You know put a hands on my toes, and I really don't think no. Hey, stop it.
My mom's a social worker, but that didn't stop her from opening me a lot. The choice so weird, I had nowhere to go, you know? One time she's making me bad, I'm living, right? I'm in 5th grade, I got a bruise on my butt. My teacher
she's worried about me. She's like, Shit, are you okay? I'm trying to come from my mom. Like, yeah, I just fell down the stairs, right? She doesn't believe me, so she calls home that night. My mom puts up the phone. She's like, hello? Hi, Mrs. United. This is Mrs. Jackson. Like, I'm just worried because Shindu was kind of hurt, he was a little tired. Oh, he was hurt because I beat him. She's like, oh. That's funny. He told me he fell down the stairs. He was rash. I got beat him. I pushed him down.
And listen to your Igbo parents on any long distance phone call. That is the loudest thing in the world, I assure you. Emeka! 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 Can you hear me? This phone call is finally working. Emeka, how are you? How are you doing? We've all been there before, right? You don't know this uncle. You've never seen him before, but somehow know you. Igbo parents are fond of naming random people on the streets uncle. If you didn't know, it is a fact every Igbo man over the age of 40 is indeed your uncle.
So were you here last year?
I was here last year.
So which year is better so far? Is it this year or last year?
Yo, I think every year it's getting better and better. This year is definitely better than last year, but last year was also lit. So every year it's getting better and better.
And I'm here with the lovely.
Topi Mabo.
Wow, Yoruba, wouldn't you believe that? Okay, so first of all, why do we have a Yoruba person here at the Igbo convention?
Well, my best friend is Igbo. I love her to death. So we go everywhere together. Why wouldn't I be here? I love Igbo people.
They're invading, guys. They're invading.
No.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay, so how was your weekend so far?
It's been wonderful. I've learned a lot. I've made a lot of really rich connections that I'm able to go back home and actually like get something from here. You know, I met people from California. I'm moving next week, so that's awesome. I learned a lot about like how you guys, you know, get together and you guys celebrate your culture. You guys love it, and this is America. So to see how much you guys love it and you're here, it's amazing. I'm inspired. I love it.
Would you come back again?
Sure.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. She'll be back, and so will you.
I don't mean to put it on the spot, but you know, all of you guys are obviously beautiful, and there's men in this room. So have you guys found any of your future husbands yet, or? No? Okay.
Not yet.
No.
We definitely found single. We're all
Good friendships.
Friendships, yeah. Probably more so bridesmaids than a husband, yeah. But yeah.
These guys look good though, no? Like this, yeah, you seen some couple?
They look very good. A lot of them clean up nice. I'm so shocked.
Let's not throw shade at the men. Like there's no cute guys up in here.
There is definitely, yeah. So I got to interview some too for my blog, madamcoverage.com. So.
Hey girl, plug that in there real quick.
was the end of.
I'm still enjoying this past weekend though. Hey, Igbo. If you are not there, you are kidding yourself. You better be there next year.
Okay, this
it's going down.
Did they pay you extra?
They didn't pay me extra. I'm just
no,
saying.
they paid you extra. There's something I don't know about this, situation because this kind of joy is too much. Anyways, guys, we had fun.
Yes.
And it was a great weekend. It was full of laughs, full of friendships, full of connections.
Culture, just everything.
Name it. It was too much.
We can't even talk right now.
I wrote in my diary, Dear Diary, Umwimbo was the best moments of my life. I want to go back.
No. And what's so great about it is that they have it in a different place every year.
Yes, they do.
So it might be coming to city near you next year. We don't know where it is yet. No one knows.
No, it's a secret kind of location thing.
Yes.
That's what Ijoma said at least. That's what we know.
But we hope to see you there next year. Even if you're not Igbo, feel free to come because we're very accepting.
As you can see in the clip, there were Yoruba people there also. So please do come through. And thank you guys for watching.
See you next time. Bye.